Hello everyone, welcome to LFI Educates Class 12 Commerce Accountancy. Okay, in the last video we have already discussed the issue of debenture and issue of debenture other than purchase of cash. So, see, we have did the three type of question in the last video. I have given one homework also. First question we have did at par, how if the company purchase assets, how they are issuing the debenture to the vendor at par, at premium, and discount one is I have given already a homework. I hope you all are doing. Okay, so in the today we are going to start some thing about new to the chapter, that is redemption of debenture. So in redemption of debenture, okay, terms of issue of debenture, page number 94. So in page number 94, page 94, in page 94, that is given the terms of issue of debenture. That is the basic part, terms of issue of debenture. Okay, terms of issue of debenture. See, whenever a company issue debenture, it usually mention the terms on which they will be redeemed on their maturity. What is the meaning of that? See, if I took 5,000 from you, I will give a period that I will give after 5 months or 10 months. That is called terms. Okay, like that, whenever company will issue the debenture to the debenture holder or to another company, the company will give the terms that I will give the maturity after 5 years or after 10 years. That is called the terms. The company's promise. Okay, the company promised how they will repay the amount, or how they repay the debenture, that is given us in terms. Redemption of debenture means they will redeem or discharge of liability on account of debenture by payment made to the debenture holder. What is the meaning of redemption? Redemption means repayment. Okay, whenever company will take the debenture, company will make a promise that I am taking the debenture. Debenture means was borrowed, that is the loan. So I will give the amount back after sometimes some years later, or 5 or 10 years. That is called the redemption part. Redemption means the repayment time. Okay, when the company's liability will be discharges. So in this topic, what we going to learn? Okay, so how the debenture will redeem at the time of issue, what the companies make a promise, how they will make the terms, that will learn today. Okay, so it's given here number 1, the terms are number 1, issued, that is the promise. See, the company issued the debenture at par, suppose issued at par, the company issued debenture at par, but the company will make that I will redeem the debenture at par. That is how much the company issued the debenture, the company will pay same debenture amount, but the company keep paying the interest amount. That is number 1 point. Issued at par, redemption at par. Keep in mind that. What is the entry? Issued at par, redemption at par. Now number 2. Issued at discount, issue at discount, issued at discount, okay, redeemable at par. Okay, issued at discount and redeemable at par. That is the types of issue of debenture in second terms. company is issuing a debenture at discount and redeemable at par. That is the whole company's loss, because company while issuing the debenture, the company is giving discount. But while payment side, when the payment terms come, the company will pay the full amount of debenture. That is the second term, issue of debenture at discount and redeemable at par. Next is given number 3. What will be that? Issued at premium. Issue at a premium. And redeemable, issued at a premium and redeemable at par. And redeemable at par. What is the meaning of that? The company issued the debenture at premium. That means more than the face value. And company will get a issue amount at premium but redeemable at a par. That is company's little bit profit, because company issued at premium and getting at par. Next is number 4. Issued at par and redeemable at a premium. Okay, issued at a par and redeemable at a premium. That means while issuing time, okay, the entry is at par given, but at repayment time the amount is giving as premium. Now is issued at discount and redeemable at par. Next is issued at discount, issued at discount and redeemable at premium. Redeemable at a premium. Issued at a discount and redeemable at a premium. That is the number 5 entry. Issued at a discount and redeemable at a premium. Next is issued at premium and redeemable at discount. Number 6. Issued at premium, issued at premium and redeemable at issued at premium and redeemable at a premium. Okay, that is the same. Issued at a premium and redeemable at a premium. This is the terms. That is the 6 terms. I repeat once again. Company issued at par and redeemable at par. That is the 100%. Next, number 2, issued at discount, redeemable at par. That is issued at discount and that will be redeemable at par. Next is issued at a premium and redeemable at par. That is issued at premium and redeemable at par. Number 4, issued at par and redeemable at a premium. You are issuing at par, but payment is at a premium more than the face value. Next is issued at discount and redeemable at premium. You are issuing a discount, but company at the time of payment is made more than the face value. That is 6 terms. And for the 6 terms, the entry is giving. The 6 entry for the 6 term is given. Okay. Number 1, issued at par and redeemable at premium. What will be the entry? Issued at par. That is, the company is getting par, but payment side is at par. So bank account debit to debenture application and allotment account. Issuing at par, that means getting the amount, bank account debit to debenture application and allotment, once a entry. Next, number B, debenture application and allotment account debit to debenture account. That is debenture issued at par and payment at par. That is the terms. So the journal entries is given here. Number 2, issued at discount and redeemable at par. Number 3 also given. Just go through the journal entries and try to solve some sum here. Okay. So Just okay. After going through the journal entries, we'll able to do all the sum. Okay, just try at home. If any doubt, you can call me anytime. I'll clear your doubts. After issuing your debenture, this thing, you go through the journal entries and try to solve more sum and see the syllabus. Okay. So this year something is delected from the issue of and redemption of debenture. So see that one. Okay. So in the new syllabus is given. So try at home the remaining sum. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you very much.